Do that again. So yeah, I got the buys right here. 122. Let's see what happens. You guys have tight stops somewhere around these lows. Yeah, that's the only reasonable stops. It's either there or below that level. But um yeah, 103 would be my stops. Go low lot here, guys. But this is giving us information. It's giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Right? So let's see. Actually, I might give it more breathing room. If you guys want 103 stops, or you can give it more room. Up to you guys here. Go based off your risk. So if this sell, if it taps my stop loss, then most likely we are gonna come back down. Might get tapped out. I'm moving. Yeah, I got tapped out here, guys. That's crazy. Okay. Okay. Now it's giving us a sense of direction, which is totally fine. Uh, let's see. So 94 is the next level here. Um, I'm gonna start looking for sells now. Okay, so now that buy idea was wrong. Let me update my record. I lost how many pips did I lose? I lost 240 pips. 430 pips with 17 loss. Okay. 97 and 17. So let's see. So we are filling the wick now, right? I'll be so mad if it holds support right there at 103 or 92, whatever, and it bounces up. Because I was gonna have my stops below that, below at 50, 80, and hold it through. Oh wow. Is anybody still holding that trade? Or you guys all got out? Or you guys didn't take the trade?
I'm still holding it. I'm
You're
still
still
in.
holding. You're still holding it? Okay.
I took a buy earlier, but hit my stop loss.
Hmm. Where'd you take your buys? Where did you take your buys, Jaden?
Um, Hold on. Let me see. 51.21.
Hmm. Took it at 97 for buys. Okay. It's good entry. Good entry. Yeah, so lower low, right? And then we got this lower high. So giving us some type of direction. So I won't be tr streaming Asian tonight because we do have NFP tomorrow, so it will be slow. So I won't be. I'll be just trading tomorrow morning. No stream tonight. 'Cause typically it's slow before NFP. Yeah, we might get a position here, guys. Can we break this low right here? I want this to rip right through, pull back up, then hopefully we'll get a position. The last five, right? This five can had a closed late candle. Yeah, that's where we entered. Didn't see that. 15 closed bearish. Hold on. Once we start breaking that low here, I'm gonna take sells. So let's see. This is the low I gotta wait for. We're holding 96, 97. Let's see. So today seems like a drive day. Okay, so we might just drive and break the lows. Yeah. Oh wow. You guys are still holding?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I have buys at 41, right? I think I'm gonna start managing risk and closing up position once it touches highs here. Based off the bigger time frame, I realized that we actually don't have top wicks in this area, right? So, hold on. So high probably that price would just come back into that range again and then maybe head back down. Maybe if that's the thing. But if we get closures a bit above here, above 5247, then that's more likely that price is going to shoot up. But these are just areas that price could just tap in and come right back down or just range in. Um, so yeah, still holding this 41 buys. Mm. Mhm. Question is, what is happening here? Like, hmm, why is it like the past 2 days, New York has been, I mean, this has volume, don't get me wrong, but at least we got a breakout first during New York. Um, Mm, Good morning, Joe. Let's see. Uh, Hit my TP. Hey, yeah, 97 to 114. Yeah, hey. You guys both made money today. Love that. I took a loss for 240 pips on that buy at 22. I should have gave it more breathing room, honestly. That's what I should have done, but it's okay. Let's see how much I'm up for the week still. Yeah, I was up 13% yesterday. Now I'm up 8% for the week. So overall, we should still be up. So we are getting movements now, which is nice. Mm. 5119 got tapped. Look how exactly how I drew that level. Got it tapped that level and just shot right back down. Okay, so we got the hourly closure. Price shot up at 19, shot right back down. Um, it looks like we might have a late candle here. So who knows? Okay, we're breaking out of the range now. Let's see. Still waiting. I'm not gonna just market execute this. I had sales from 5102 to 1590. Oh wow. Okay. Uh, so the 96 was I was talking about, and then 119 was that range. Okay. So let's say we can either basically pull back and then I can grab some positions, or are we going to closure back into the range? So let's see. Oh wow. There you go. We filled that wick here, guys. Holy. Is there new? Oh, there is news at 10. Yeah. No, there's no news. Hold on. Okay, this is a lot better, guys. Lock in.
So what are you looking to execute now? Like a buy or on a flip? Or what
Sell.
are you
I'm
were
looking
looking
for
at?
the continuation down.
Oh, to cover the range.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Had a crazy entry last night at 51.77. Woke up in that shit. Click.
50. Well, for buys or sells?
For a sell last night.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, okay. What's this level here? 61. Breaking the lows here. So if this could still come, okay, the reason why I'm patiently waiting right here, this we saw how it just rapidly just broke the lows. And now, most likely, there is a possibility that this might just come back up here and then continue down, right? So I should have got buys sells at 94. I was at that break of the low, 91, 94. But yeah, that was just a 4 hour wick fill, right? I did mention it before in the earlier sessions. I just wasn't part of it. Waiting for this range to get come down. So that's the range I'm looking at now, right? So that took a, let's see. Should I just anticipate that this is going to drive and fill this? Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna draw it out, right? We get a closure soon, right? Off the lower time frame. Let's just say the 15. Let me just go on the 15. I want to confirm if this is gonna be a bearish structure or not. So if we got something like this, right? Top wick right there. I want this to pull back up, and then that's gonna be the rebreak. Okay? That's what I would be looking for next. Like that. And we can target somewhere around here, here, or even here. Up to you. 50-40, 50-10, 4989. right? So it's just about being patient here. It's okay, guys. Don't let that loss that we took earlier affect you. So this is what I'm talking about here. On a lower time frame, you see this, right? I want that on 15 or 30. How this 5 minute is creating, I want that on the 15 and 30 because there is a slight possibility that this candle can just still drive right back up in the range. And we don't want that. Okay? So I want to confirm. But I'll repeat that again. Closure below, top wick, right? Comes comes right up, right? Grab some top wicks. Then we flip. Once we flip, oh shit. Once we flip, that's what we'll get. That's gonna be the exact same move with this. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 94 might be also another sell area, so um let's see something here. Right, this is what I'm talking about, right? 5 minute here. So we close low below on the 15. Can we just get a top wick and then I'll probably execute sells and shoot up. Shoot up more, man. Shoot up more. Okay, I'm gonna have a sell stop at 81. Okay, having a sell stop at the break of that low here. So what's his range down to fill? 219 pips. So I was at 5081.68. That's where my stop sell stop is. So is this 15 enough for that top wick to shoot right down? Typically I would want this on the 30, but Can we tap 94? Can we tap 94? Okay, so I was looking at 94 for entries. Also, this could be filled and then right back down. Unless, unless we just start making structure like this. Okay, so that 94 got tapped, right? Yep, it tapped. It tapped that 94. Uh, Another minor level there, 104, 105. Um, okay, we're activate here, guys. Good luck. Let me start just filling this wick. I'm in cells here, guys. Good luck. 20 pips here, guys. I have stops up here. Ah, Once we start breaking this low at 71, we should be good to drive. I mean, it might be someone like this, bro. I might look for an 800 pip runner today, if that's the case. Okay. I'm gonna stay right here when we get to this close half. Okay. And then let the rest run. At 39, that's where you could look half to close half your positions. So at least you're taking some profits off the table. Once you break below 60, then I think we'll get that continuation. Right? So it's just literally. Yep. It's just 81. That's my entry. 81. I truly believe that once we start breaking that 60 level, 61 level, that's gonna rip right through. Okay? And aiming this is like 850 pips that I'm aiming for. Originally, if you want to close half, it would be you'll close at 430 pips. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, you got a better entry than me. Good job. I stacked two positions at 80 and 81. So I have a 60 lot running. Uh, where the fuck's the volume, bro? Down. Hit my trail stops. Okay. At least you made some profit. Yo, did you close out on those buys last night when you were in profit?
No, I got tapped out twice.
Break even?
Yeah, it's like, bro, I'm an idiot.
Okay.
I saw like 7 bills twice, and I didn't close either any of them.
Uh,
You held it
I closed at like close to two. So I closed like,
in
but it's
profit
okay.
or down?
I closed two positions in negative, and that pineapple position was profit. So it overcame those two negative positions.
Because yeah, it came right back down in the morning. Like when I woke up, it was in the same exact spot.
Yeah, yeah. And then I'm still holding the 41 buys. That's gonna be a swing buy because that's a low position for me. So
How long you gonna hold it for?
I don't know, fucking weeks maybe. If five, no top wick.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sammy. Damn, it's not even directional right now, bro. Can we, based off structure, this is clean sells, but I don't know what the fuck the market's doing right now. So maybe this is a good thing with what it's doing right now here. Maybe, right? That's the top wick off the smaller time frame. Maybe. I know once I start looking at BE, getting out where my entry is, it's gonna drive. So I don't know. Um, Anyone else holding the trade with me?
Yeah, I have two positions.
Okay, there you go. Let's see if we start driving. Good job, Wes. Let's see if we get this 30-minute wick fill. Right here. Like, what is this? It's 200 pips. If you guys are happy with 200 pips, then take it at 59. Okay? But if you guys want more, 38, the full range is at 4,989. I don't know if we'll touch that level even. Um, so yeah. I think I might do full TP at 5039. Keep saying my BE at 92. Honestly, it's better than, you always find entries, so that's fine. You keep getting tapped. I know it's annoying, but market will do whatever it wants to do. Just re-break the lows again, man. Re-break the lows.
What are you doing?
For real. Man, this trade is so annoying.
Yeah, it's actually cheesing.
Like it looks clear though. Like
Yeah,
yes, drive, bitch. Hold on, make full colors. Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. Since the way that it's moving here, once it comes back to break even, I'm gonna close out. Honestly, I'd rather just stay away from this if that's the case. I don't care if we missed out the trade. We should have waited, but I'm not gonna deal with this bullshit. It's just ranging. So unless we just drive through, then I'll hug it through. But guys, if you guys see 20, 30 pips this time, either you guys take it or go break even. Okay? Okay? So yeah, last 15 close late candle. We'll probably fill this up to 94.
You're not thinking of any pineapples?
No, I'm not gonna pineapple this position because this is what's gonna happen here, right? Um, if we start, unless you guys want to hold pineapples, then sure. But the thing is, if structure starts going up like this, there's equal highs here that can get filled, right? Most likely, if it starts breaking up these highs, then we'll probably continue up to these highs. Um, but pineapples would be at 5119 if we were to get pineapples. That
All
would be
right.
pineapples. But unless you want to get pineapples off the smaller time frame, but I always suggest going off the bigger time frame. It's just not fast right now. It's not moving. So maybe this is the 30 came up, grab that. Wait, we already grabbed that though. We're grabbing it again. Might hit 5108, but I'm going to wait. Yeah, 5108. Let me see where 5108 is. Like around here. Yeah. I saw something on TikTok where basically all these wars that are happening is basically, I don't know if this is true or not, but it's to centralize crypto. And but I that doesn't sound right.
How would that even correlate though? How would the wars correlate
That's
though?
that there was a video. Hold on, I'm gonna send it to you.
Yo, because crypto's not even backed by like a tangible like
Here, I'll show you. I think
asset.
it's here, I'm gonna send it to you. That's yeah, my bad. Check your Instagram.
Mm.
In central bank accounts, because their oil and energy is very important, including for China. Larry Fink and BlackRock have
Like
said it
crypto and other shit.
move very rapidly. All investments on a tokenized platform. What it means is this is going to be, we have one common blockchain, potentially 100, 200, $300 trillion market.
This confirms what was said on this viral post from this anonymous user, who even predicted the exact date that the war would start. He said the main reason for this war is to get resources that can be tokenized through BlackRock. And he said the token at the center of it all would be called the Western Asset Reserve, aka Ticker Ward. So it's very clear that our only chance of benefiting from this situation and getting rich is by following the elites and buying the token before it gets announced.
It's fucked.
Yeah. Like that could make sense with blockchains and stuff. Like
Should have just went on 77.
77, right?
Yeah, like it wasn't worth all of this.
Mm. Let's see if the hourly. We have 5 minutes in the hourly. Let's see. Close bearish. Did you already get out, Jed?
Nah, bro, I'm still holding. I mean, hopefully it gives us that bottom wick first for it to push up later.
Yeah, so that'll be your exit, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Let's see. Start holding. We could start coming back into the range here. That'll be clean. We need a top wick to flip right back down. And that's giving us structure. I'm looking at pineapples here, but like it's gonna be off the smaller time frame. Um, maybe the next hour. Maybe the next hour might get that pushed down because look, the hour is still bearish. We have 2 minutes here, right? Um, this is just we can come back here at this 1 minute here, which seems possible here. Then shoot back up. That's fine.
Should have just went to sleep, fam.
Oh, okay. So 1 hour close doji. Let's see. Can we fill that wick? Thirty didn't close with the top wick here. Let's see. Start close up this if the smaller time frame starts showing structure down below, that'll be great. Lay candle on the 5. We're gonna head back down, right? Can this be a closure below off the 1 and then start making structure on the 5 coming down? Okay. Right now is the best time to try to deal with your emotions in the sense of try to get rid of it and just think logically. Okay? I know everyone's feeling it. I can sense it in all you guys, right? But this is the best time to train yourself to look logically and not look at the numbers. Okay?
Yeah.
This is how you build your psychology. Remove the number, dollar amount, and just focus on structure. If you're feeling super Emotional, it's probably because you over leveraged, right? Especially like I told you guys, these range like this market cycle is crazy.
Is a possible pineapple here valid? Off this.
Ye- Honestly, yeah, it's valid, but it's just this 1 hour is doji. The last 1 hour is doji. That's the issue.
Mm,
But if it were to drive, it would drive. You know what I mean? That's
yeah.
if it wants to drive, it'll drive. That's what it'll look like. Maybe this is the drive now, right?
I hope so.
Okay. Stay stoic, guys. This is how you train yourself. Today is actually like price action. I'll give this like a 5 out of 10, but this is a very valuable lesson today. And try to deal with your emotions. Okay? We're down 120 pips from our original entry. Um, do we start close 5 minutes start close below? Okay, it's up to you guys, but I am gonna add another pineapple off base. This is off the 5 minute time frame. I usually don't do this, but I'm in a pineapple. Okay? See you guys. This is how you guys learn. Just look at the chart. Pay attention to the chart. I got a 93 entry for my pineapple. Ooh. Did anyone else get pineapples?
Nah.
No? Okay.
Yeah, I got
If
one
I
at
get a pullback,
92.
maybe.
Right? This is how you guys do it, man. This is how you guys fucking do it. Stay, look at the charts. All I That's the only thing I can recommend. This should be roughly your break even area. So it's up to you guys here, bro. Up to you guys.
What's your entry?
I have a 93 and 81. Pineapples
You're
at
looking for BE on this trade? That's it?
up to you. That's
I'm
up to
saying,
your
what are you
decision.
looking for?
Me, I might look for the whole range fill. But everyone go off your gut feeling. Okay?
We're down to like 80 around there.
Bro, more like 50-39. That's a full TP.
Okay.
Right? Whatever you guys feel like. Looks like it's picking up volume. The reason why I'm staying longer today is because I know we're not trading tonight, so I don't mind. I don't mind. But what? This is your break even here, right, guys? I'm assuming
My entry's a little lower.
We're on pros.
we're all in pros, right? Yeah, I am in pros. So all up to you guys, man. Make that decision. If you guys want to hold it with me, hold it with me. But this is why negative RR always wins, right? Yes, my drawdowns are massive, but understand structure. Right? Once we rip through this, you're welcome, guys. This should be more than like 500-600 pips. We don't even need to trade tomorrow if this rips through. Okay? So that's
Just finished 12. That's finished 12.
currently up $33,000. But yeah, if you guys want, make that 81 position. Stop loss break even, right? The 81 stop loss break even. You have your pineapples already. So but yeah. W day, guys. W fucking day, right? I think. If you want first TP would be 61. If you guys, yeah. Second TP would be actually where the right here. I'm gonna delete that. Second TP would be here. 5039. And this might hit at like what? It might hit at like later on, like an hour or so, right? And you guys know 12, 1, 2, whatever, around those times. There's a lot of movements. But you guys should all be in profit around 60 pips, right? Probably more. 60 pips off the original entry. Pineapple positions 160 pips of profit. So it's up to you guys here. Who went BE? Who closed out?
Took a minor loss.
You took a minor loss?
I get my profile early.
Okay.
Huh?
Anybody else?
I get my profile early.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
No worries. 100 to 80. Beautiful. Beautiful. So the 5 minute no bottom wick. Let's just see if this continuation of the 15 can push it down further down to 61. Right? Yeah. I know a lot of people was thinking it's gonna break the highs, right? That's exactly why my stops would be right here. Right? It's either here or it'd be up there, 5161. Yeah, where's your pineapple, Diallo?
At 84.
84. Oh,
Actually, no, what am I talking about?
the second position for the pineapple.
80.
80? The fuck? I called it at
Mm.
90.
Did you? Actually,
Yeah.
no, that's my original. My bad. 92.
92. Okay, there you go.
That's my original like entry.
Yeah, I think this is I think this it's been a long time we've been in a situation like this. In a long time. When's the last time I pineappled a position? Like
Yesterday.
no, no, no. During a live session is what I mean. It's been a while, I believe.
Maybe that Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Remember when you
the
stayed till
loss?
like 12?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. You're right. You're right. You're right. Yeah, pineapple like
That.
six positions. Pineapple like six positions.
Oh my God, bro. I was there for emotional support, eh?
Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. I know there's like two or three of you guys. A little motivation for micro lotting. Let's see. I love this, Wes. I fucking love this. Good job, guys. Everyone, look at the chat. Look at what Wes is doing, bro. Made $1,600 off of 0.02.
Crazy.
No, good shit, bro.
Yeah. We might have a session stop loss at like 11:30. So we'll see. If this thing doesn't drive, then I'll probably just close out all my positions. My pineapple position is break even. Still holding my original position. Um, you didn't take that bad of a loss, right, Jad?
Yeah, bro. Like, yo, I saw -3 bills that just took like a $30 loss.
Okay, that's not bad.
Like, yeah. That's 30. Yeah. No, my bad. 50.
50, yeah, it's not bad at all.
Yeah.
I consider that break even, basically, bro.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even consider that a loss.
Yeah, exactly.
But like I said, you guys had your exit right there, right? Did anyone go stop loss break even on the original entry? Like anyone that was holding with me?
No, did you go break even on the original?
I did not, but thinking about either closing the original and letting the
My
90
break even point. I don't know.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
either you close out now or you just hold it. The original entry though, but the 92, 90, whatever you had that 92, 93 entry, go break even as well on that and let that shit run. And if it touches 60, then you're good. Right? So overall the whole trade should be risk free. So you guys shouldn't have lost anything.
You still in sales, Alex?
Yep, I'm still in it. Are you?
No.
You got out in a loss or win?
Yeah, I lost.
Was it a lot?
Look about Bob.
Okay, okay. But yeah, no. No, re-break that little bitch. Re-break it. Re-break that 674 off of five. So today's trade was based off the 5 and 15-minute time frame. Okay. Yeah, we might fill this wick. 62. Yeah, what did you do here?
Oh shit. I gave I didn't close anything.
Okay. Right. Understand structure.
We're eating.
Yeah, we are. Yes, we are. I do good at this shit. I swear. I should go work for a fucking bank. But they wouldn't want my fucking negative RR because banks do not, you can't lose more than 1% a day.
All
I
right.
would need at least 25, 30%.
But that's the thing, bro. Once you have that room, like you're chilling.
That's what I'm
Like
saying,
it
bro.
literally doesn't matter what it does.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Right?
Um, yeah,
But
trying to
fucking
get to that point, bro.
it takes no fam, even then you can even do that with your small account,
For sure, for sure.
you know? Just go lower lots,
I
right?
know. Yeah,
But I get it, bro. Like when you have a small account, bro, like yes,
yeah,
like you making $5, $6, $8 is like thing. But like if you look at percentage, that will train yourself to look understand structure. And then that's
for
when the
sure.
confidence comes into doing the exact same. Because if you're
Yeah,
like, you know what I mean? Like, bro, like you holding yep, compound wins long term. Don't look at money. Exactly. Um, but yeah, man. If you're struggling and like scared about holding a negative 300, 400 drawdown, you're not going to be able to hold a negative 60K, 80K, 100K, 200K drawdown, right? So it's the same mindset, literally the same exact mindset.
yeah.
Should we have you close at 71 and call it a session? Fuck.
What you got going on for the weekend?
I have I have a birthday thing to go to at night tomorrow. Um, Saturday, I have something. I forgot what I have. But then Sunday, I'm free Sunday.
Oh,
But yeah, just chilling. There you go. Flip. The 1 minute made that top wick right here. You see this? Let's see. Okay. Pineapple position's up 160 pips. Original entry's up 40 pips or so. So look, this is like almost 200 pips of profit. Can we drive here? Oh, there you go. Drive off the 5. Push, 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 push. There you go. Just break that low. There you go. We broke that low off the 5. See this? Right? Now the next level is this. There you go. There you go. There you fucking go. Holy. Hey, that's how you fucking trade. Okay. Wait, I might add another position. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, this is when I start feeling fucking cocky and start dropping 300 lots.
yo, buddy, what easy.
This is when I start dropping 300 lots. Hold
Can it
on.
not get rejected at 61? Or you're waiting to see if it breaks
60.
it?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Yellow, you should be passing your challenge. Holy. I genuinely feel bad for whoever didn't show up today because this is such a valuable lesson today.
Yeah, 100%.
All right. Yo, Joe, you holding this? Are you in this position? Wow, I saw $120,000. Holy fuck. Let's see if we okay. So basically, you guys saw this, right? We broke the low, came back up, right? Let's see how this closes. Like, I don't know if I was just being greedy, but I should have closed that at like 65. Where did it tap? Where did it tap?
67.
67. Yeah, that's where it tapped. But original entry is up 80 pips. Second entry is up about 195. So
I call it for the day, Alex.
okay.
All right. Have a good day, guys. Good
Take
You
luck.
too,
care.
Sammy.
All right. Bye.
There you go. Back to 69. 67. Re-break this low. Come on, just glitch through. Glitch through. Oh my God, this is such a beautiful. Oh man, this is gonna be a beautiful recording. That's the wick fill. That.
What are you plan on closing out?
Bro, whenever I don't know, bro. I don't know.
I'm not trying to be too greedy right now. I'm not trying to fuck up my profit.
That's up to you, bro. I can't like, bro, make your decision. Whatever you closed out at, you should be happy with. Right? That's why I teach. Do not have FOMO if price runs. You're out of it already. Can't be like, oh fuck, I wish I held or fuck. Remove that mindset. Remove it. It's not gonna get you anywhere. Honestly, Diallo, bro, you're up like 100 off the original entry.
Yeah, I'm up.
150 pips, original
Yeah.
entry. Second entry, you should be up around like 250 pips. Oh my gosh. Oh man, this is so beautiful. Okay. Okay, like this would be good closures. This would actually be good closures. Look at the five.
I'm close here.
If you want, if you want, like I don't know if I'm being greedy at 39. Like
That's my TP is right now. It's at 37.8.
37. Yeah. Like I'm aiming around 38, 39, around there. Fuck it. I'm gonna aim for a $250,000 day today. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. I don't give a fuck. It's either $0 or a 250,000. Fuck it. I don't care. Right?
Okay.
It's either $0 or a 250,000. Okay. I'm placing all my stop loss break even. You guys don't have to do what I'm doing, okay? Just letting you guys know. In this situation, yeah, don't follow my footsteps, please. Don't take profits. Okay, everything stop loss break even here. Okay? Everything stop loss break even. I didn't even place fucking TP. I'm gonna manually close.
TP's at
Oh
38.
my God, this is so beautiful.
That's a sick trade. This is the best trade of the week.
No, seriously. I'm gonna post this in the setup. Like this is where I would say like close half and then like kind of let the shit run. Like so you're not letting any like, profits off the table. DL, you know how to close half? I mean, if you want to do that, it's up to you, bro. Honestly. This right here, 60 was the original TP. That's the original TP.
At 60?
Yeah. Like, yo, DL, you're funded, fam. You want to freaking start taking profits.
Yeah, I'm
You're,
gonna I'm
you're
gonna
not
actually
you're not live. So,
know what you mean. I'm
Like,
just gonna pass the shit.
yeah, because you would have had 700, and then whatever profits right now. You know what
Hmm.
I mean?
Yeah, I would have made like 3 bands in the last 2 days. If I just kept closing my shit.
Yeah. Mm, I guess I guess I might hit $0.
Yo.
Oh my God. Fuck, it bounced off this wick exactly like like this the original DP. Look, it originally did that. But yeah, uh, entry was based off the lower time for 5 minutes. Movement overall price was based off the 4 hour, right? Because we saw it was bearish, right? The last 1 hour still closed bearish, but then we got that doji, which was kind of confusing, and then we just drove right down thing, right? When we had that doji, it was 50-50, right? So you guys learned something.
Drive, drive, drive.
Yep. Once we break that low yellow, oh man,
What, like around like 60?
bro, there's a
9?
possibility that can come down to 5,000, bro. I'm telling you,
Holy.
it can come down to 5,000. Like, yeah.
Oh, I should be
Like the next 5,015 would be the next, like once it breaks this low, 50.38, the next range below that would be 5,016, 5,017, right? But it has to do no more. Remember what I was waiting for here? Remember that entry, guys, where we came down, right? Now I want to see if this continue, if it's going to continue or not, right? You basically want to get this. This is what you got. So now we got this step done, okay? Now you want something like this,
You're
then
pushing
we
down.
flip down. That's what you want, okay? You don't want just to flip down like this. Actually, hold on. Okay.
55 right now.
Okay, get ready, guys. I might look for another entry. Yellow. This position, you go lower lots.
Yeah,
No,
I'm only dropping point threes.
no. For this position, go lower. 0.1.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm looking for another entry here, guys. So hold on. This is how you fucking scale a position. Let's see. Right? Because I trade range to
60?
range. No, 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 no. I'll tell you. Hold on. Let me see. It would be the rebreak. It'll probably be the rebreak of the low for another position, which is what level is that, Jad?
61.
54,
So right now.
actually.
Oh,
53.
50.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm maximizing profits right now, so let's see. It's gonna be a market execution, okay? It's not gonna be a sell stop because
All right.
it's gonna be based off the volume. It's not gonna be if it just comes and flips, and that's based off structure. It's gonna be the setup is more so volume based and entry. But yeah, Jad, the decision that you made today was perfect, right? In the
Yeah.
sense of you're going based off your risk. No matter what, even if this plays out, you always go based off your risk,
No, for
right?
sure, but I'm happy with it.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
yo, even if I took that loss, I learned there, right? I learned.
yeah, yeah.
That's what matters.
Exactly,
Just apply it next time.
exactly, exactly. Been doing a lot of trail stops. Yeah, and honestly, that's the best. Like honestly, when you're in profits like this, you should be trailing. You should be trailing. I always recommend trailing. Always. Like sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. But in this situation, I'm not doing it because I want the full TP. But for me, it's right now I'm all I'm break even. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have like 5 positions. I have 2 positions at the 81 and then 2 positions at 92, 93. So right now I'm looking for more positions here. Okay, is this the flip? Hold on, we start breaking the lows. Let's say the 1 minute is, right? Um, we're up 160 pips on the original pineapple entry. We're up 287. Like I know right now, this time, bro, the way that I push down like this, we do need structure up. I'm just being hopeful that price can just melt, right? Like for healthy structure right now, is the way that we just push down like that. We need something like this back up again and then down. But I'm just being hopeful that it just might melt. But yeah. That's 60 or was that 54? That's 54. Okay. I'm gonna lower my lot size on this position that we're about to enter. Right? If you guys are gonna about to enter this position, go lower lots. I wouldn't say like crazy lower, but like let's say if you're using a 0.10, go like let's say if you're using like a 0.15, go like 0.10. You know, if you're using 0.10, go like 0.05. So or 0.07 if you want to be a little bit more riskier, but just lower it by a little bit. Yeah. You see why we didn't just enter right away, right? Just gotta wait. Okay, this is the structure that I'm talking about here. Most likely we do need price to pull up for a healthier structure to come back down. But look at the 30, right? We closed below. We closed below that low right here, like the 74 level. So this is what I'm talking about here. Same thing, right? Let me just zoom in a little bit. This is what we got. Okay, later, Wes. Take care. Have a great day, man. And then this is what's gonna happen here. And then hopefully we flip. All right, we flip and we get that top wick continuing down to this range.
It's moving quick.
It is. It's moving slow now. I don't know. Now I don't know if we're gonna get it. Um, okay, guys. Tomorrow's session will be at 8:15. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I'm not gonna throw this yellow. I'm gonna close. I'm closing all positions here. Okay. I closed all
Wonderful.
positions. I closed
All
all
right.
positions. Yeah, because if this based off the 30, I did know that we did close below. I don't want to sit here for another hour or so just waiting for TP to get hit down to like down there, which is 38. So I'm just gonna take profit, whatever. Um, yeah, honestly, it's just I don't want to wait this because we will be here till literally 1 p.m. and I'm not gonna do that. Did you already close out?
I'm waiting. Wait a bit. Still kind of dropping. So let's see how it reacts. I'm gonna close up for the next 5 minutes.
Okay, well, yeah, just manage that risk. Anyone that's in that trade, if you guys are holding, manage the risk. If not, good fucking W. Let me add that to the fucking record. 98 wins, 17 loss, 14 BE with a total PIP of 119 plus 235. Well, how much is that? 235, 119, 354 pips. Total pip count for the month of March so far, we are 784. Yeah, I was at like 400 and I no, it's 600, and then I took the loss on that 200 pips. We were at 400. Now we're back up at 784 pips.